Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a handmade rag store shop using Shopify. So first, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here on the top left to our product section, and here we're going to click on add product. Here we're going to start uploading all of our products information. For example, I'm going to start with my handmade artistic rug. There you go. Now I'm going to copy my title, and here for the description I'm going to paste it right over here on generate text, and I'm going to click on generate. This way Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to create a description for us, and here we can either choose to generate the description again or just click here to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new, and we're going to choose an image for our product. On our right, we're going to have a product type, vendor, collections, and tags section. For collections, make sure you add your product to your home page, and for tags, you can put whichever you like. For example, I'm just going to put handmade rags. There you go. Now, below our image, we're going to have a category section. As you can see, Shopify is going to usually choose it for you, and it's almost always going to be correct. But in case it isn't, you can always click over here and change it if you so wanted. Now for the pricing section, let's say that we are going to charge 40,000 pesos for this, and the cost per item is going to be around 30,000 pesos. This is going to leave us with a 10,000 pesos profit at a 25% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we are not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a weight section to assign weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. So once we are done customizing our product, we're going to go over here on the bottom right and we're going to save our changes. As you can see, if we go back, we were going to have our first product uploaded. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on add a product, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So as you can see guys, here I have added a bunch of new products. For example, my Peter Griffin mug rag, my Plankton rag, and my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles rag. So what I'm going to do next, once I have all of my products uploaded, is that I'm going to go to my online store and we're going to start to customize it. Now the first thing that we're going to be able to change is going to be its theme. If you can see that if we go down, we're going to have a bunch of different free themes to use, or if we want to shop for more of them, we can click over here on visit theme store, and here we're going to be able to start shopping and buying a lot of different themes for us. Now some of these themes may better suit our website, but for me I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So back over here, I'm going to click on customize, and here we're going to be able to start to customize the different sections of our website. For example, you can see that this section is going to be outlined by this blue line, and the name of the section is going to be displayed on the top left. On our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, and if I click over here on select, add images, I'm going to be able to select an image to be our banner. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and once it's done processing, I'm going to click on done. There you go, and the background of our banner is going to be changed. Now I'm going to click over here on our heading in order to change the text on the right. I'm going to put, for example, welcome to my handmade rags store website. There you go. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the left to template. We're going to click on add a section, and here we're going to have a bunch of different options. For example, a featured collection, a featured product, collection list, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and as you can see here, a new section is going to appear right at the bottom. Now I'm going to click over here on the right and select, and I'm going to select one of my products to be displayed over here. For example, I'm going to choose my Plankton rag. As you can see here, my new product is going to be displayed right around here. And let's say that we want to change the color scheme of this new section, and we're going to put a nice dark theme around it. Now another thing that can happen is that we have added a new section by mistake, for example a featured collection, And what we're going to do is we want to delete this section. So in order to do it, we need to have this section selected, and we're going to go over here on the bottom right, and we're going to click on remove section. As you can see, this way this section is going to be completely removed. We can also add sections to our footer over here. If we can add an email sign up or a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. Over here we can also add a custom liquid or an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right around here, our store's name is going to be displayed. You see here where it says my store. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes. We're going to go back, we're going to exit. I'm going to go to the home page of Shopify, and here we're going to click on name your store and name store. And here we are going to be able to change our store's name. For example, I'm just going to put Handmade Rags over here. I'm going to save my changes. Now, in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store, but instead of customize, we're going to click on the three dots. We're going to click on preview, and here we are going to be able to check out our website. As you can see here on the header, the store name is going to be changed, and if we scroll down, we can check out everything else that is set up just the way we want. So once we are done customizing and checking out our website, we're going to go back over here to go over the analytics and marketing section. And next we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as for example which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say I'm going to put code 101, or we can just click over here, and Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it, we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click save discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.